promised you my time.
Friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. In the last video, I cleaned my deck, I put up my gazebo, I cleaned my steps, and I also painted them. I planted some plants, and I spray painted my outdoor chairs. So in today's video, I'm going to be staining my deck, and I'm going to be putting some LED lights on my steps. If you're looking for some inspiration to spruce up your outdoor space for summer, then this video is for you. With that being said, let's get into the video. So I'm using a bare transparent wood finish paint in the color cedar. I really like this paint because it gives the deck a natural look. It took me 2 days to paint the deck. I painted half of the deck on the first day and the other half on the second day.
Why you in my reality? My hair closed the door, even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you.
So I have these LED outdoor solar lights that I purchased from Temu. Now you can screw them to the steps. They come with screws, and they also come with a double-sided tape that you can stick them to the steps. So I decided to use the double-sided tape because I don't know how bright these lights are, and I don't want to screw them to my steps and put holes in the steps, and I have to take them down because I don't like the brightness of it all. So I'm gonna play it safe, and like I said, use the double-sided tape.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a go.
So are you ready to see what the patio looks like right now? But before I do that, let me show you what it looked like before. You can see this patio was a hot mess. It took a lot of work for me to get it together, but I stuck it out and I toughed it out and I got it together. And I hope that you guys really got some inspiration from this, and you will be motivated to spruce up your space.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching.
Right, y'all, that's all for now. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this video gave you some inspiration, would you be so kind to give me a thumbs up? And If you aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because in the next video, I'm going to be decorating and showing you the final reveal. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.
Well, color me blue.